5 tips for learning to make money online. Excited to know more? First, click subscribe below and turn the bell to be notified for new uploads. Here's 5 tips for learning to make money online. Number 1. Set a goal. Focus on what you're trying to achieve. Keep moving and ask, does this action take me to my goal? If not, do things align with your goal? Number 2. Be selective. Find a job or business idea that you are passionate about. You will never work a day in your life. Number 3. Don't burn out. Start small. Maybe 30 minutes a week. Slowly but surely. Take things seriously in an efficient way. One step at a time. Number 4. Find support. Ask a friend to help you stay on track. Warren Buffett said that surrounding yourself with people who are better than you makes you become like them or even better. Number 5. Stay engaged. Practice what you're learning as you go. Keep going. Knowledge without application is useless, and application without knowledge is dangerous. Thank you for watching. Visit us here. See you on the next video.
We'll be right back.